The schwa sound is the most important sound in English, and it's the most commonly used sound. Unfortunately, most English learners have never been taught about the schwa sound. In fact, many of them are even unfamiliar with its name. Without a good understanding of what the schwa sound is and how to use it, many students mispronounce words by leaving it out and adding extra stress. For example, if schwa is left out of this word, it'll be mispronounced as image. The schwa sound, represented by the symbol in the dictionary, is a reduced or silenced vowel sound that helps us say words correctly. More specifically, it helps us focus stress on each word's key vowel by reducing or muting unimportant ones. Let's revisit the previous example to see schwa in action. The I in this word is the key vowel sound and needs to be stressed with intonation so all of the attention goes to it. Consequently, the A sound cannot compete with the I sound, which means it needs to be reduced and becomes schwa. Now listen as I compare the proper and incorrect pronunciation of this word. Image, image. In summary, the schwa sound is very important because it works together with stress and intonation to create accurate pronunciation. Now that you have a better understanding of the schwa sound, let's practice some words together. April, basket, carrot, label, certain or certain, effort, salad. That's it for this week. I hope this video was helpful, and until next time, take care.